Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ali Hassan and welcome to this video on Node.js. In this video, we will be discussing what Node.js is and why it's such a powerful tool for building web applications. Node.js is a software framework or runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. It is an open source platform, which means that its source code is available to public and anyone can contribute to its development. Node.js is cross-platform, which means that it can run on various operating systems including Windows, Mac and Linux. It also provides a runtime environment for JavaScript code to run on the server side, which is the backend of web applications. By using Node.js, developers can build highly scalable and efficient applications that can handle a large number of concurrent connections without blocking any of them. This is because Node.js uses a non-blocking event-driven I/O model, which means that it can process multiple requests simultaneously, making it an ideal platform for building real-time applications such as chat apps, online games, and streaming services. Overall, Node.js provides developers with a powerful platform to build fast, scalable, and efficient applications using JavaScript, making it a powerful choice for building server-side applications. Node.js is a popular choice for building applications because of its efficiency, scalability, and flexibility. By using Node.js, developers can use JavaScript not only on the front end but also on the back end of an application, which means that the same programming language can be used throughout the entire development stack. This makes it easier for developers to create full stack applications that are more streamlined and efficient. One of the key features of Node.js that contributes to its efficiency is its non-blocking event-driven I/O model, which means that instead of waiting for a task to complete before moving on to the next one, Node.js can handle multiple tasks simultaneously, making it asynchronous, allowing it to process large amount of data quickly and efficiently. This makes Node.js a great choice for building applications that require high performance and scalability, such as real-time web applications or data-intensive applications. Additionally, Node.js is lightweight, which means it can run on a variety of devices and platforms, making it a versatile option for developers. Node.js is a versatile platform that can be used to develop various types of applications. Here are some examples. Web servers. With Node.js, you can build fast, scalable web servers that can handle a large number of simultaneous connections. Node.js is well suited for building server-side web applications because of its event-driven architecture. The second one is RESTful APIs. Node.js is also a powerful choice for building RESTful APIs because it is lightweight and efficient. It allows developers to easily create APIs that can handle a large number of requests without slowing down. The third one is real-time chat applications. Node.js is ideal for building real-time applications like chat applications because of its ability to handle a large number of concurrent connections. With Node.js, you can build chat applications that can handle thousands of users simultaneously. The next one is streaming applications. Node.js is well suited for building streaming applications that require real-time data processing. With Node.js, you can build applications that can handle large volumes of data and provide real-time insights. The next one is command line tools. Node.js can also be used to build command line tools that can automate tasks and simplify development workflows. With Node.js, you can write scripts that can automate tasks like testing, deployment, and database migrations. The last one is desktop applications. With Node.js, you can also build desktop applications using popular frameworks like Electron. Node.js provides a powerful runtime environment that can be used to build desktop applications that run on Windows, Mac, and Linux.